Hello friends, in this episode we will see what are the courts and how is the judiciary in Albania. There is a constitutional court. In constitutional court there are 9 judges. The term of the judge would be 9 years subject to retirement age of 70 years. Now let us see how these 9 judges are selected. 3 judges are appointed by the President of Albania. 3 judges are elected by the Assembly. 3 judges are elected by High Court. Now this court hears constitutional disputes and has power of interpretation of the constitution. Now there is one more council, High Judicial Council. This council has 11 members. Now let us see how these 11 members are elected. 6 are elected by the judges of all levels. 2 members are elected by Assembly amongst the practicing advocates. 2 members are elected by Assembly amongst law professor of the university. 1 member is elected by Assembly from civil society. This council has power to appoint, evaluate, promote and transfer judges. This council decides on disciplinary action against judges. This council refers names for appointment of judges. This council formulates rules of judicial ethics. This council informs public the functioning of the judicial system. This council proposes the budget of the courts. Now there is one officer called High Justice Inspector. Now this officer has a tenure of 9 years. The officer is elected by the 3/5 majority by members of National Assembly. This officer is selected from highly qualified jurist. This officer verifies the complaints filed against various judicial officers. This officer has right for inspection of the courts and prosecution offices. Then there is one more council, Justice Appointments Council. This council has 9 members. Now let us see how these 9 members are coming. 2 judges of Constitutional Court, 1 judge of High Court, 1 prosecutor from the Office of Prosecutor General, 2 judges from the Courts of Appeal, 2 prosecutors from the Courts of Appeal, 1 judge from the Administrative Courts. Now this council is responsible for the proper selection of High Justice Inspector. Then we have a Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has 17 judges. The tenure of the judges is 9 years. The judges are appointed by the President with the consent of Assembly. This court is divided in 3 divisions: Civil College, Penal College, Administrative College. This court conducts cases by a bench of 5 judges. Then there are other courts: Court of First Instance for serious crimes, Administrative Court of First Instance, District Court, Courts of Appeal, Courts of Appeal for serious crimes, Administrative Court of Appeals, Court of Felonies, Appeal Court of Felonies. So friend, these were the glimpses of the judiciary and the courts which are there in Albania. In our next episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Albania. Thank you.